Hello, it's Pete from Intricate Nature, and I just want to show you the upgrade I put in. So, my old wood burner had a 4-inch pipe, and now I went with a 6-inch pipe, and rerouted it before, and I routed out the wall, and now I'm routing it out the ceiling. So I cut a hole and put a top hat in, and these are actually plates used for joining trusses. So I burned out the freaking trusses and got these plates back, and I'm using the plates to position it so it doesn't move. So there's a plate all the way around each way, and there's also a pair of plates on the inside to kind of keep the spacing proper all the way around the hole, so that it acts as my double and triple up inside the top hat. So they got double running up into this piece up on top, which is just straight single, but here they got a double, so that's okay. On the outside I really don't care, even though they say it's supposed to be double. I went single. Double right here all the way down into the black pipe, which you can't see, but you will see here in a second. Well, sorry about that. There we go. So we got a black pipe here coming down. I added a damper, and I can adjust, even though I have one already right here. So that's the way I can control the air a little bit better on two different pieces. And then I have a clean out on the back of this T over here. So what I'm doing is I went on Craigslist and bought myself a new wood burner. So it came with this piece right here, it came with this wood burner right here, and it came with the fire brick on the inside. And I got a really good deal. It was 75 bucks because the fire brick was a little bit broken, and I think the glass was broken. So I didn't know if it was broken or not, but what happened was the glass broke. I found out the glass broke on the front. Now, glass on wood burner is very expensive. Anybody knows anything about wood burners, let me tell you. So luckily, I got the opportunity to let's adjust that. There we go. I got the opportunity, since I work with somebody who does wholesale window and glass. I was able to get the glass at wholesale, and it only cost me $90 at wholesale. So 90 bucks still for a piece of glass. So add that to my 75. So that I originally paid for the whole wood burner. Nice looking wood burner inside. Got fire brick all the way around. It says on the back, it's you all listed. It'll burn wood and coal. We got new glass and these fleur-de-lis, what I'm calling them. That's pretty nice right there. And on the bottom, this is my ashtray. So if I can control a little bit, I got a little control with the air there. You can see that. So can't wait to fire her up. I'm going to fire her up in a few minutes. One thing I wanted to note was what I did here was this right here. This is my heat shield. It goes in the corner, continuous, comes to the corner, and back across. And it extends past the wood burner just a little bit, and past the wood burner a little bit this way. And it's the right height, and it sits off the wall about 1.5 inches. So they said a minimum of 1 inch, and what I used was the whatever. It's the electrical insulators from an old house. So they're about 1.25 inches, 1.5 inches. And it said to use ceramic, and they're ceramic. And that's just a concrete wall, and it's insulated with the clay slip. I had rocks and boulders all around the other little tiny wood burner. Well, I took those out and I rolled them all flat in here, And then I got some sacrete and I poured about 1.5 inches and I let it get down in the rock, so that's my base. Even though it sits the floor below all this, there's a freaking rock that goes down 3 to 4 feet of solid boulders all the way down. So it's sitting in a very nice area. I have 1.5 inches on the front, what I'm supposed to have, and a little bit extra on each side, so I don't have to worry about it. I got a wood floor here, but I'm going to probably do something here in the future. Probably do a little return around this edge, and then got some upgrades coming up. So I put in the top hat right there. You can see it right up inside there. Top hat, and then the pipe going up. And I was out hunting one day, and the top of that that piece was sitting in a ditch. Coming back to my truck, there was the top hat sitting in a ditch. So whoever lost it, thanks. And so then this is a piece of just metal stud, and that is not going anywhere. So, to get you back in, I'm going to fire up the wood burner and see how she smokes. Stay with me. So, I don't want too big of a fire, so I just put a little bit of oh, that's cool. So, we want to see how she's smoking. So, yep, no problem, smoking away.